excited about this, aren't we?
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors.
Today we are going through the Corinth Canal.
Woohoo!
So we're just about getting ready now. We want to set everything up so that we get like a really cool shot going through.
Yeah.
We're so excited about this, aren't we?
Yeah.
So a little bit nervous as well. There doesn't seem to be any boats around, so I don't know what it's going to be like. I mean, they might make us wait quite a while until there are boats around.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just got to put the dinghy up and then set some of these up, like the GoPros up, and then we'll be ready to go.
Very excited.
The Corinth Canal, which first opened in 1893, connects the Gulf of Corinth in the Ionian Sea with the Saronic Gulf in the Aegean Sea. It cuts through the narrow city of Corinth and separates the Peloponnese from the Greek mainland. It is 6.4 kilometers long and only 24 meters wide with 90-meter vertical walls. Most boats use the canal to save the 700-kilometer trip around the Peloponnese. It's not cheap either. Zephyr, which is 13 meters, costs around €250 for the one-way trip. The high cost makes it the most expensive canal per nautical mile in the world to transit.
Corinth Canal Authority. Corinth Canal Authority. This is sailing vessel Zephyr. Over.
Who's calling Corinth Canal?
Yes, Corinth Canal. We would like permission to cross the Corinth Canal eastbound.
Tell me your distance.
We are currently 1.5 nautical miles out.
The name of the yacht.
Zephyr 2, Zulu, Echo, Papa, Hotel, Yankee, Romeo.
Please repeat one more time.
Vessel name is Zephyr 2. That's Zulu, Echo, Papa, Hotel, Yankee, Romeo.
How many meters your boat?
13.1 meters.
Payment, do you pay cash money or your agent?
We will pay credit card.
Sailing yacht or motor yacht?
Sailing yacht.
Okay, proceed 3K.
We have been told by the Corinth Canal Authority that we need to stop the yacht.
It was exactly in those words.
It was, and wait. So some traffic just came through, but there's this yacht here, and there's a powerboat in front of us. So I don't know. I don't think we're gonna have too many boats going through, which would be nice.
Let me be your reminder. We will find the beats.
So beautiful. The water is spectacular.
Incredible.
Yeah. Hey, I can't see.
You're all right.
Star, oh have me as a reminder when it stings. When you're busy growing up, know that I'm right here. But everything is messed up and it feels like no one cares. Turn this way. Turn to me. Let me clear every path, my dear. We will steer you through the sonosphere. Way up high, where the rainbow sets sighs. That's where courage lies. When you're busy growing up, know that I'm right here.
James nearly lost the drone in the Corinth Canal. Oh, and he caught it. That catch was spectacular.
I nearly put it into 2 different walls. I nearly crashed it into the boat behind us, and I nearly crashed it into our own boat.
Ah, the joys of having a drone. I'm not game enough to fly it, so wow, check this out. It is just stunning.
Woo! Corinth Canal. Incredible. Nearly lost the drone, but oh my god. Getting the fenders ready, so when we come through the other side, the dock we tie up to and we go into pay. So for those that are interested, you pay on the east side of the canal, so whether you're westbound or eastbound. If you're westbound, you pay before you go through. If you're eastbound, you pay after you get through.
Hey guys, so I'm just waiting for James. He's gone to pay the fee for the Corinth Canal that we've just come through. We had a bit of a debacle parking. There's this really long dock and it's pretty easy. But as we were coming close into it, James decided that he'd go forward to let the other sailboat that was behind us be able to park in that spot. So we continued going forward, and it kind like the dock was in, it went in where we were going to park, and then it came out like that a little bit. As we were moving forward, James was like, oh, you might have to push us off the dock. The thing is, I was ready with the middle line. I was ready to jump off and put it on. So it kind of caught me off guard. So then when he said push us off, I went to push us off, and they had like these plastic fenders, but one of the plastic fenders had come out like this off the wall. And of course, my line, as I'm pushing us off, gets caught, like fully caught. And then I let go of it all. And then it kind of pulled us in. And then James was trying to like do everything, shouting. The typical docking argument. And yeah, it really, like, it made the boat swing in. So I think we hit it, but we had a fender. So thank goodness, because it's all like cement as well, a cement block. So anyway, we managed to just pull off in time. We hit it, then we pulled off, and then he managed to reverse, and I managed to get the line off the cleat and just throw it in the water. And then we've just gone and recovered it so that we didn't lose that docking line. I'm sure everyone was laughing at us out there. Jason's gone to pay. I'm gonna go and take the rubbish, and that's it. And I think he's back now.
117. Pretty cheap.
How much?
Doesn't matter how much you need. So I think we'll top up. Yeah. Hey guys, well, we made it to our anchorage. I'm making Nat a shandy because she loves them. A little celebratory drink. We had a big day today. A ton of firsts, so we're pretty stoked. We did the Corinth Canal. We stern towed to some rocks on our own without any help from anybody. So we're pretty stoked. I gotta be honest, I've been so incredibly proud of Nat today. It's been a huge day. The canal was pretty easy. I wouldn't say it's hard in any way, but obviously for two people with no experience, this was it was quite daunting for us. We were quite nervous, but in the end it's a piece of cake for anybody that really wants to do it. So but yeah, I think we're quite content, and we've been sort of a bit apprehensive the last few days because we've been heading up the Gulf of Corinth, and we've heard such horror stories about how rough the weather can get, and it has all its own little microsystems. And I mean, in the end, we had a lake the whole way, and we had to motor, and that kind of sucks, but you know, is I guess a heck of a lot less stressful. So, and now we are anchored off. I don't even know the name of this island. It is absolutely stunning. We're steering to some rocks. The water is crystal clear. We got fish around the boat. I mean, this is the dream, the absolute dream. So, and we can't do it without you guys. So we're gonna relax, and Nat's gonna have a shandy. I'm gonna have a well-earned beer, and a big rest tonight because we pretty much didn't sleep last night out of nervousness, as you can imagine. So. Nat jumped in the kiddie pool for a little relaxing, whatever you call it when you sit in a kiddie pool in the middle of the water here. Yeah, I think the wind's pushing us a little left. Yeah, it's really low, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm just going over it now. It's like, oh,
it's about 3 feet under the water. Over there is the charter convention.
So we're about to leave this beautiful anchorage, which we're a little bit sad about because it is just stunning. Look at that water. James is about to hop in and release us faffing around. Doesn't really know what to do. He's got his snorkel on. And I'm gonna be driving the boat. Woohoo! So you better hurry up. Okay, off you go. There's a ton of sea urchins back there. So you're gotta be careful where you put your foot.
Alright, do you want to reverse bit?
Reverse. Well done.
Woohoo!
We did it. Our first one ever.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go.
If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so you can join the adventure each week aboard Zephyr.
Only feeling blue.
If you would like early access to weekly videos, bonus content, and free merch, click the Patron logo here. This journey is only made possible thanks to our amazing patrons.
Rely on others.